Hello YouTubers, now we're going to play a game of what's inside, and is what is inside this LED. So I've already taken one apart, so I know how to take it apart to make it a little bit quicker, but let's do it. First thing, fly this part and just twist that right up. Set that aside for a minute. And you're going to want to take and or am I going the wrong way? Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. Whales me anyways. Need to, oh maybe not. Let's see. There we go. So we got that. That is aluminum. Got that little pin right there, which is aluminum. Last one I tore apart had one of those. That's also aluminum. And you got a piece of plastic for recycling. And we got this. Now this does not want to come apart. So I guess I didn't cut enough. Yeah, that'll work. That's plastic. And we got 2 screws right there. Pop that sucker out. The last one I did popped right out. This one don't wanna. That's funny that last one popped right out on me without a problem. And it's too bad it's taking me so long to do this one, because I can already tell you there ain't much in there. There, that. Well, that part popped out. Well, I'll be damned. Oops. Maybe now. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Or somebody's uncle. Well, this video is gonna suck, huh? Well, yeah. No, maybe not. I swear, the last one, the whole thing, the whole piece just popped right out. As a matter of fact. that was how the last one came out. Let's see. Here you got some aluminum inside of some plastic, which I'm not even going to attempt to get that out. And then you got this, which is got aluminum. And for all that, a little bit more aluminum, you get one little teeny tiny transformer. 1 cc. This one don't even have an IC chip on it. The other one had an IC chip. You got those other things which I guess I heard have ruthenium in them, but I don't know anything about ruthenium. Don't know if it's worth it. Don't know anything about it. So that's it. That is what's inside of, well, this particular, I think it was a Philips LED bulb. And that's that. See you on the next one.